My name is Tiffany Jones. I am a licensed clinical professional counselor and a grief recovery specialist. I would like to welcome you to BFF Nation's virtual support group. I'm excited that you have chosen this forum to be a part of your grief recovery. Community is a powerful tool, and that's just one of the many benefits of a support group. You, along with other members, will have the opportunity to draw strength and gain support from one another while working towards being better able to cope with your loss. Congratulations on making that important step. Grief can be defined as the conflicting feelings caused by the end or change in a familiar pattern of behavior. Simply put, grief is the normal and natural response to loss. It can also be described as the mental or emotional suffering or distress caused by loss or regret. Oftentimes, the term grief is closely associated with the death of a loved one. However, grief can occur with several types of losses. For example, a divorce, loss of a relationship, loss of a job, and even things such as a loss of safety. Different emotions can be associated with the different stages of grief, which are denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. All the stages can be experienced differently by individuals and do not necessarily occur in the order in which I just stated them. Because grief is unique to the individual experiencing it, it can look different for everyone. Some may experience acute grief, which is usually experienced shortly after a loss, integrated grief, which is characterized by the adjustment that one makes in order to live with the loss, and even complicated or prolonged grief, which lasts 6 months or more and left untreated can lead to severe depression. Some may ask the question, will we ever stop grieving our loss? Using the definition of a normal natural response to loss, I would say no. There will always be some type of response to our loss. What can and does often happen is that over time, individuals become better able to cope with the loss and experience integrated grief. When we learn to incorporate the loss into our lives, the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are integrated into our ongoing functioning. In short, grief has a place in our lives without dominating it. It is our desire that this form will be beneficial and you can use it as a tool on your journey to healing. Welcome.